when Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, who is in Tirupati and will inaugurate a slew of factories and lay the foundation stone for a number of manufacturing facilities. He will be inaugurating and signing MOUs investments worth over 3,700 crores. That is expected to generate employment for 15,280 people. Of the 16 units with the investment of 1,570 crores that would be inaugurated, and over 8,480 jobs would be generated this year. Now, among leading corporates inaugurating their factories are AC manufacturers, automotive, food processing and textile companies. In total, Sri City in Andhra Pradesh has received total investments of $4.5 billion and total exports of $4 billion. By 2027, over 50% of air conditioners manufactured in India will originate from the state of Andhra Pradesh. So, Amit, this is a big development as far as the push that is now concerned and the work that is now being done in the state of Andhra Pradesh.
Well, I know actually since last, actually Chandrababu Naidu, when he formed the government, he was very much clear that he will be fighting for the, justice for the parties, and also at the same time for the leaders who were, were booked earlier by the previous government. And also at the same time, he has stated that his main focus is to develop Amravati as the main capital of Andhra Pradesh, and also Visakhapatnam as economic capital of Andhra Pradesh. And mainly earlier, to Tirupati as well, where Chandrababu Naidu is inaugurating all these projects. So earlier, he even when he was there, he brought the international airport to Renigunta Airport to Tirupati, and also he has inaugurated several projects at that time. So now, if we speak about the program which is going to be held right now, Chandrababu Naidu has arrived at the Tirupati, and he's there in Tirupati. He's inaugurating several projects, including signing MOUs worth 3,700 crores that would generate employment for over 15,200 locals, and mainly targeting the Tirupati urban, Tirupati local, and Chittur, which is his own district, and targeting these main areas. There he's going to sign 3,700 crore worth MOUs, generating direct over 15,000 employment there.
So
and at the same time,
as far as the development push is concerned, that is going to be undertaken by Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu in the state of Andhra Pradesh.